Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about one of the best exercises for building upper body strength, the pull-up. Pull-ups are a great exercise for targeting your back, shoulders, and arms, and they can be done just about anywhere. So whether you're a beginner or an experienced athlete, pull-ups are a fantastic exercise to add to your routine. In this video, we'll show you how to do a pull-up correctly, as well as some of the benefits of this exercise. Step-by-step guide. Start by finding a sturdy horizontal bar that can support your body weight. Stand underneath the bar and reach up to grip the bar with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Your palms should be facing away from you. Hang from the bar with your arms fully extended and your feet off the ground. Pull your body up towards the bar by pulling your elbows down towards your sides. Keep pulling until your chin is over the bar. Lower yourself down slowly, keeping control of your body the whole time. Repeat the exercise for your desired number of reps. Benefits. Builds upper body strength. Pull-ups are a compound exercise that works multiple muscles in your upper body. By regularly doing pull-ups, you can build strength in your back, shoulders, arms, and core. Improves posture. As pull-ups work your back muscles, they can help improve your posture by strengthening the muscles that keep your spine upright. Convenient and versatile. You can perform pull-ups just about anywhere with a horizontal bar, and there are a variety of different grip positions that you can use to target different muscles. Increases grip strength. Holding onto the bar during a pull-up can help improve your grip strength, which can carry over to other exercises and activities. Builds muscle. Pull-ups are a great way to build muscle in your upper body, which can help increase your metabolism and burn fat. So there you have it, folks. Pull-ups are one of the best exercises for building upper body strength and improving your overall fitness. With a little practice, anyone can learn how to do a pull-up correctly. And the benefits of this exercise are numerous, from building muscle and improving posture to increasing grip strength and convenience. So if you're looking to add a challenging and effective exercise to your routine, give pull-ups a try. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.